What's up, everyone? Welcome to Team Kilowatt Talks, where we bring you up to date on what's going on out there. And what's happening today or recently is something called Tvision from T-Mobile. Yep. We're going to talk a little bit about that today. Let's get started. First, before we get into it, if you're not subscribed to this channel, make sure you subscribe because we're going to have a lot of great content and we hope you stick together with us and grow with us.
Yeah, so one of the things that we love to do is talk.
So let's talk about this Tvision from T-Mobile. Apparently T-Mobile is coming up with a new TV service to provide that service for homes, right? They provide broadband and internet and stuff with our phones, but now they want to bring it to the household. And Alex, tell us a little bit about what this idea is about.
Yeah, so the CEO of T-Mobile, Mike Sievert, he did one of those uncarrier moves that they tend to do a few months ago.
Let me interrupt you. The uncarrier is what, basically? Because I think we see.
Yeah.
Uncarrier is what is it? What does that mean?
Uncarrier started years ago when T-Mobile wanted to kind of step away from the pack. The uncarrier situation puts T-Mobile in a place where there are groundbreaking news, or they're doing something out of the ordinary for a company like that. For example, one of their first moves was bring your own phone. Or, no worries, you don't have to buy a phone from us. You can just lease the phone and take it with you, or buy the phone. So they started doing a lot of stuff like that.
And their pricing was really aggressive. No taxes, one price.
That was another uncarrier move.
One price for just
all included.
Everything. Yeah.
All included. So the price you see, as they say, is the price you pay.
So what is this new uncarrier move they want to go and bring to our house?
So T-Mobile released a few months ago, I don't know if you remember, like this box. It was supposed to be like a competitor to the Amazon Fire Stick, right?
I've never seen it, by the way, so go ahead.
Yeah, so they did this whole thing, and it was basically plug into your HDMI and you kind of control your settings and you do all of that. So they decided that instead of going that route, they released an application now that you can download onto any device, your tablet, your phone, computers, and you can watch TV on your phone and your devices.
Hold on. So this is basically just an application.
Yes.
Software.
Software.
That, like whatever app, I download that app and it allows me to, it's not broadband, it's basically just like TV channels?
Yes, TV channels. So they are a direct competitor with YouTube TV.
And Hulu. Okay, yes. Now I understand what it is.
They're along those lines. Now, the on-carrier move comes because what they're trying to do is compete directly with your cable company. You know about that.
I thought it was an actual device, like a cable box, but they're just giving you software. Okay, so
as I mentioned, there are no service contracts. So sign up today, sign out tomorrow, up to you. It's on a month-to-month basis. The price is what it is, so you're not tied to any specific contract.
Okay.
Oh my God! Wow! So if this month you're doing well, go for the premium package and downgrade it the next month. You mentioned something. All plans include taxes and fees. So whatever price you see is the price you pay. There are a few exceptions for like premium channels and things like that. They do have additional charges that they add on to that, like broadcasting fees and things like that. No equipment, just download the app. It works on AndroidTV, Apple TV, Google TV, and I
can just watch whatever channel I want. For me, sports channel on my phone, on my tablet, kids channels on my kids' tablet, things like that.
Yeah, so the great thing about the Tvision is that number one, it works similar to Netflix. So if you have a Netflix account, you set it up on one TV, you set it up on another TV. Only two devices can be used at the same time. So if you are using it at home, please be mindful that if you're using it in one TV in one room and another TV in the living room, and maybe you have another den and kids on the other side, only 2 applications or 2 active applications can be opened at the same time.
Now, when you say that, that's on a basic plan, or can I upgrade to have more accounts?
That's a very interesting thing. In the research that I did, I didn't find a single thing about that.
All right.
But it does come with DVR on the cloud, up to 100 hours.
100 hours?
Of
That's not, to me, that doesn't seem like a lot.
100 hours?
Every show that I watch, right, it's about an hour long, right?
Yeah.
And if it's a sporting event, it's 3 hours long with commercials, because they'll record the commercials. So you're thinking about...
So by the time that you watch that 3-hour one, and several have passed, when are you gonna have time to sleep, work, be with your kids, be with me, record for the YouTube channel? Seriously, you talk like you watch mad hours of TV and you don't.
I am talking for the average, TV watcher, consumer.
No. So anyways, you switch, and it's only, the pricing starts for live TV at about $40 a month. It is available nationwide now. So they originally started with T-Mobile, then they went over to Sprint, but now it's available nationwide for T-Mobile and Sprint customers. It is being followed up with other subscribers, such as prepaid, and then all of a sudden all over the US, any application, any TV. So you had to be a T-Mobile or a Sprint customer in order to use it. They're in the process of changing it so that anyone can do that. Because I guess you might sign up with your phone.
If you have like AT&T or Verizon, you cannot use this service.
No. So
only
that was
for Sprint or all Sprint customers.
Yes.
And T-Mobile customers. That's it.
Yeah, so the Uncarrier moves are for their customers.
Their customers.
So remember, we also took a little while ago, we mentioned that they do have that spamming software. I love that thing.
Yes, me too.
It blocks spams
Yes.
for me. I don't remember the last time I got a call that I'm looking at it. I'm like, who is this person? It tells me who it is, and because it knows what a spam call is, because it's probably picking up that it's calling a lot of customers, so it blocks it right away. One of the things we want to mention, if you find value in these videos, and you also like me, because I know you like me.
Sean Cannell, that's all you.
You like me.
Sorry, go ahead.
You like me a lot. If you're finding a lot of value in these channels, on these videos, please
don't listen to this guy. Just hit the subscribe button and make sure that notification bell is turned on and popping.
All right, so let's talk about Live Vision. Starting at $40, you get live sport, latest news, and access to NFL, Red Zone, and more.
Oh, nice, because Red Zone was only available for Verizon customers.
The $40 plan will get you 30 channels plus, I don't know what that means. The $50 plan will get you 40 channels plus, and the $60 a month plan will get you 50 channels plus. Now they do have the lineup, and I suggest that you go online and you check out all of the channels, but I don't want you to go ahead and disconnect the cable and then you'll be like, oh, I'm missing all these channels. That's what happens depending, they have different packets and different things like that. So maybe the $40 one is not working, maybe the $50 is not. The $60 might include everything that you need.
So the good thing about this is the difference, you can actually have this on your phone. I know most people say, oh, I'm cutting cable. The way I see it, this is not necessarily cutting cable. This is giving you more flexibility if you're a person that's out on the... So when you talk about, cable cutting, people want to get rid of that, right? But this is more for the mobile user. You can use it at home if you don't have a cable, but now there is something to this. $40, $50, $60. I don't want to pay that much. That's a lot of money.
It is, and especially if you're not getting the complete package, because the triple plays with the cable companies give you 100, 150 channels. Here you're getting 50. So what they do have is this thing called Tvision Vibe. For $10 a month is entertainment. it's very limited. It includes drama, comedy, lifestyle, music. So basically, they curate a bunch of different channels, their applications and things like that. You sign up, you automatically get access to all of those. So, you know, maybe if you have a smart TV and you got to download an application for every single channel, this actually gives you one subscription and access to all of those channels and up-to-date TV, because what you're paying for the 40, 50, 60 bucks is live TV. I don't necessarily need to watch live TV. For me, that's not like, oh my God, I gotta be there. As long as I can watch my show anytime during the week. Remember, I'm at work, so maybe during that time, I could just be at work, do my thing. During lunch, log onto my application on my phone.
The idea is during lunch.
During lunch. Lunch only.
Well, I guess I could do more of the $10. The $10 is fine, but I don't know, depending on what kind of channels. What else do we have?
You also can add something like Star, Showtime, Epics as additional add-ons for only $5.99 a month. Normally those subscriptions are a little bit more, but right now they're running a mega deal. They're giving Apple people, or they're just giving 12 months of Apple Plus free.
With their subscription.
Yes, so switch to T-Mobile and subscribe to Tvision. So you gotta switch over to T-Mobile.
Oh, so we don't get that because we're subscribers.
That's why I always, I increase the size on the fine print, because that's one of the things that it's very small at the bottom. So you gotta switch over, plus they give you an Apple TV 4K for $100 a month.
No, for $100.
For just $100.
Okay, because Apple TV thing costs a couple of hundreds.
Yes. Question of the day. The question of the day is, let us know who is your cable provider, or where do you watch live TV? So I have an antenna at home that I stick on the wall. And I watch my old channels, and that's it.
I have cable. I don't want to deal with that. The antenna stuff. I need my sports. I need my live TV. You know, I need to have it on the go. At the time when it's playing, I want it now. I want it, on demand.
Like I said, I watch a lot of TV on YouTube and things like that. So let us know if you use cable, if you use free TV, if you use an application. Leave us a comment down below so we can continue the talk.
All right, guys, thank you for watching this video. Make sure you come back to Team Kilowatt Talks. We'll see you on the next one.
Team Kilowatt Talks.